No.
I got you, Tick.
Yeah.
I'm gonna box him dead in his mouth.
No, man. Don't hit him in the mouth.
I'm gonna hit him in the mouth.
No, man. You gonna bust that man front so hold this. What's wrong with you, nigga? Yeah, I love this. I'm coming around here every day. Y'all lit around here. That's what I'm talking about. I gotta move back to the hood, man.
John ain't got to hit him in the mouth. I'm gonna box him dead in the mouth.
Yo, they really went walk around the corner looking for dude though. Like for real though. And he posted too.
Fuck you hit Tick. Nigga, that's Tick, man. Tick.
Man, he hit that man with a he hit that man with a chair, son.
That's crazy. Nigga open his house to somebody.
Man, he hit the man with a chair.
Drink all he wanna drink.
Look, then you tried to kick Polo and Rocky. They said Rocky tried to take a little leg off.
No, and we standing right there.
You tried to kick my dog, nigga?
No, man. Boy, these niggas here crazy. Who, the police? No, they not. The police ain't around them.
Don't call me no liar.
No, for real.
Oh, there you go.
Yo. Yeah.
Oh.
Yes, sir. How y'all doing? Nah, it's all good. Man, it's YouTube. It's all good. Everything's great. It's all good. Y'all gotta subscribe to the channel, baby. I gotta get it all. That's what I'm talking about, man. It's all good. You get a like, you get everything. My man, yeah. He got the mask on and everything. Look. Yes, sir.
Y'all practicing social distancing.
Y'all practicing social distancing.
That's right, strap on.
Yeah, he hit him with a chair.
What's going on out here for real?
He hit my man with a chair, son.
Man, Tick too old for that shit, man.
Yeah, it is. Man, he hit the man with a chair, though.
Tick, man. Tick on the oxygen machine, man. Huh? Tick on the oxygen machine. You should feel bad, bro.
I ain't did nothing to that man.
Man, you hit that man with a chair, love, bro. Love, bro, you hit that man with a chair, love, bro. That man cool. Yeah, we gonna get him getting in the car and everything. It's not a game. We gonna get him getting put, cause he going in the car today. It's 2 on